Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a client portal in Asana, step by step. If you work with clients and use Asana to manage your projects, this feature can make your workflow so much smoother. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a client portal where your clients can see their projects, leave feedback, and stay updated, without giving them access to everything else in your workspace. First things first, head over to asana.com and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your admin dashboard. This is where all your projects, tasks, and team spaces live. Now, before we jump into building the client portal, let's understand why it's so useful. If you're managing multiple projects for different clients, having a client portal helps keep things organized and secure. Each client only sees what's relevant to them, their own project, and nothing else. That means fewer mix-ups, more transparency, and a much more professional experience for your clients. All right, let's create a new project. From your dashboard, click Add Project. Then choose the layout you prefer: list, board, or timeline view. I'll name this project after the client, for example, Client ABC Website Redesign. Now, here's the important part. Set the project visibility to public only for that client, and make sure other projects remain private. That way, clients can only access what they're supposed to, their own workspace and nothing else. Once your project is created, click on the Share or Members icon at the top right. Here, you'll control who can do what. Asana gives you three main permission levels. Editor can change everything in the project. Commenter can view and comment but not edit. Viewer can only view the project. For clients, I recommend setting them as commenters. That way, they can give feedback or ask questions without accidentally changing any tasks or details. Now, it's time to invite your client. Click Share, then enter their email address, for example, jack@gmail.com. Once they accept the invite, they'll see their project portal with everything they need to track progress, comment on tasks, and stay in the loop. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so they'll get updates whenever tasks are added or comments are made. If you have multiple clients, repeat this process for each one. Create a separate project per client and make sure each is private from the others. This setup keeps your workspace clean and your client communication streamlined. No more confusion or overlap. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other project management tools like Trello or Notion.